Whoa, man, what it do, y'all? It's your boy CEEFAM Vlogs back at it again with another video. Today, man, I had got something in the mail. Well, not really. It's basically a Christmas gift from my wife. You know, we decided that we couldn't be patient enough to wait till the 25th to open up gifts, man. It's just me and her, so we was like, oh well, cool. We just gonna open up gifts. So, open up the gift, man, and she got me this tint from Luxe. You know what I mean? Luxe Auto Concept. Shout out to Luxe, man. But yeah, she got me this tint from Luxe, man. It's the inner and it's the outer tint. It's like a decal or whatever. I'm gonna show y'all, man. Hold up. But yeah, y'all, this is basically all it is right here. You know, comes with microfiber towel, this Luxe sticker or whatever, which I already have one, the squeegee, and also this prep or whatever, as y'all can see. So good prep spray, man. I had already cut mine. It was on like this big piece of paper, you know what I'm saying? So this right here would be like, for example, the outer, I don't know, the inner or vice versa of one side of the light, be the outer and inner of the other side of the light. So like, it would be the outer and the inner of both. So I'm gonna just show y'all, man, like how it's gonna look and all that. So stay tuned. Just spray this right here on there. You know, you always wanna clean your product first before you start doing anything, just so y'all know it'll stick on and whatnot. So just wanna clean around it, man. Make sure everything's cool, everything's good. Dirt get underneath here, that's a wrap. It ain't gonna stick for a long period of time. So just want to do it like that. Alright, now that everything's clean, man, as y'all can see, we got these thick ones right here. The thick one is obviously gonna go right here, because if you look at it, like, it's actually thick right here. So, you know, these thick ones is gonna go right here, as y'all can see. Then you also have these skinny ones, or skinnier ones, you know what I'm saying? So the skinny ones gonna end up going right here. So it's just gonna look like that. So as y'all can see, man, like I'm cutting this right here off. Some of them did get stuck on here, but this white adhesive just sticks on here, so you just keep peeling. So I'm just peeling this off. I want to peel slowly and gently, you know. It might look like I'm going fast, but I'm really not. Peel all this stuff off. See that? Alright, so the way I want to do it, man, so I don't know about y'all, but me, the way I'm going to do it is, I'm going to just line up this right here. I'm going to line up this right here first to it. So, or better yet, I'm going to line up the top of this to the top of this right here. So, line all this stuff up.
Y'all, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm trying so hard right now, man, but it is so difficult, bro. Like, it is hard as hell to put this on. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm struggling, man.
But yeah, y'all, so this right here is currently how it looks without it, without one of them, and this is how it looks with it. You know what I'm saying? So it's a big difference. Like I said, we have the inner ones, and we also have the outer ones too, so it'll look like both sides are faded and both sides gonna be faded. So, I mean, it was a challenge though, bro. Like, I didn't know whether I should stick this first or whether I should stick this right here first, but I feel like once you line up this right here should fall into place too. So, I mean, now we're just gonna do the rest, man, and hope for the best, man. We're gonna show y'all how it look whenever everything finished. Alright, y'all, so now that everything's finished, man, ooh, this is how it look, bro. Jeez, this thing look good, man. I ain't even gonna cap, bro. Like, at first, it was a little confusing or whatever, because, like, you had to figure out which one goes where, like, the inner, the outer, and da-da-da-da-da. But once you figure that out, man, like, it was alright. Like, putting it on there, though, like, getting it, like, in these corners and whatnot, it was like a challenge, but I mean, it's worth it though, I ain't gonna lie. You don't see a lot of challenges like this, man. This right here is the new product that Luxe had put out, so, you know, y'all should hop on this whenever y'all can. I'm gonna turn the lights off for y'all too, just so y'all can see how it look. Man, you can't tell me that thing don't look good. Let's see. I'm trying to get a good little view for y'all, man, but it's hard to get a good view. Man, them things look good though, bro. I can't even lie to y'all, man. It's hard to tell. But yeah, probably look better with the lights on, but just so y'all can see. But yeah, man, that's really basically it, man. Like, it was hard making a video, like, of me actually doing it, because when I tell y'all that thing was hard work, good hard work, bro, like, for real. Like, yeah, there we go. I guess that's a little better for y'all, man. You know, lights is bright, man. You know, light works, light work, man. Light works, light work. But yeah, yo, that's basically it for this video, man. As y'all can see, that's how it look whenever, you know, the car is just chilling and whatnot, man. But people gonna notice it at night, of course. You know what I mean? Ooh, yeah. Yes, sir, she will. Stop playing with them. Yeah, it look good. I ain't even gonna cap it. They look good. Like I said, y'all ain't gonna see too many challenges like this, man. You know, a little something for y'all. It get hot in this garage too. Like, whenever the car running, it get hot as hell in this garage. I mean, this bit damn near sweating. Oh God. Yeah, man. Thank y'all for stopping in. Thank y'all for y'all support, y'all love. Appreciate y'all watching everything, man. Like I said, like, none of this would be possible, man, if it wasn't for y'all. So, like I said, bruh, you know, if y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all like, make sure y'all comment. You know, anything I can do better, I'ma do it. Just let me know, man. Like, you know, and y'all can't let me know if y'all not watching the video. So everything I'm saying makes sense. Like, it always makes sense, man. But finna go shower, relax, chill, man. Happy holidays to y'all, man. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and all that good stuff, man. Make 2019 way better than your 2018. Tell you that. I'm coming for everything. 2019, I'm coming for it all, man. But yeah, man. Appreciate y'all for coming.